You probably wonder why everybody is getting richer, but not me. Why it is every time that I invest somewhere and lose entire wealth. It's simply because you do not know the easiest way to earn and grow your money. Possibly you end up with lots of share market and mutual fund tips that in desperation you eventually end up in heavy losses. Guys, neither of Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, and other billionaires became rich in one single night or week. We will give you only one sure-shot tip which these billionaires use and common man like us is totally unaware. But remember this, money only grows with smart moves, patience and time. Please subscribe to F4 for more updates and selfless tips to help you grow better and healthier. Let us start. Stay till the end, as we will not confuse you with lot of options or leave you in a state of misunderstanding as others do. We will discuss only one best method, to earn you the wealth you deserve. Now let us understand with a very simple example of, kids. Consider, you are shopping some fruit for your kids. But kids always have different mood and you are uncertain which fruit they will love today. If they like what you bought them, you score a 100%, else you fail. Better you buy 2 to 3 fruits instead of a single fruit, by limiting their quantity. Chances are, they will like 1 out of 3 fruits. This will increase the chances of succeeding in your motive. Similarly, we have a basket of different stocks that are risk-free and high returning. But wait, are we going to invest in stocks? No. We are only discussing that one method, understand its complete logic, which billionaires know and we do not. That one method is investment in an index fund. Many of you will feel, closing this video right away, as you probably know about the index funds. But you are wrong. No one tells about these facts, which big players know and probably we lose to them because we do not. Index is the measure of something. An index fund measures the economic growth of the country. As the country or economy progresses, index funds also increases in valuation. Understand that there are always ups and downs, but index funds will eventually increase, because you are spending better life than your parents did, and your kids will spend life better than you. We mean that economy has changed itself in growth direction always, regardless of few hiccups on the way. Why only index fund? Economy of a country like us cannot go zero. If you choose one stock like Jet Airways, Yes Bank, DHFL, Arcom etc., you are prone to lose all your wealth. But index fund is a mutual fund of top blue chip, best performing companies. If any company is not performing well, then best part is, it automatically gets kicked out of the index and will be replaced by another best performing one. Now the big benefits of index funds. Number 1. Risk-free. As it is a combination of top and best performing companies of a country. Number 2. High return. According to Warren Buffett, the ace investor, no other mutual fund can beat the index fund in longer term. Number 3. No skill required. You just need to invest in economy of your country. Thus, any investor can become millionaire. Number 4. 100% value of money. Every mutual fund charges a fee from you for their services, known as expense ratio. But expense ratio for index funds is way too less as compared to other funds. For example, if expense ratio is 2%, then mutual fund houses invest only 98% in fund and 2% as theirs, which they charge from us. Though 2% seems less, but this 2% can create a huge difference in long term, might be in lakhs. Index fund generally have 0.1% to 0.5% expense ratio. The two types of index funds in India are, Sensex includes top 30 companies. Nifty includes top 50 companies. Average return of Sensex till date is 17.2% CAGR. Means if you invest rupee 1, you get rupees 60,373 after 40 years. That is huge. Last 10 years returns, Sensex, 100.17%, Nifty, 97.06%. Sensex is slightly better than Nifty Index Fund. So now, as we know the fundamental about wealth creation by index funds. Coming to the main part of this video, how to invest in index fund. Download Growu app, not sponsored, from App Store, Play Store like shown here. Follow the easy steps and get logged in. You can choose other platforms as well. Type Sensex Index or Nifty Index Fund or simply Index. This gives you a list of index funds. For example, we choose UTI Nifty Index Fund. Scroll below to check the expense ratio, which is main criteria to select the index fund. We see the expense ratio as just 0.1%, which is way too less than other fund categories. As shown, you can invest either in one-time or in monthly SIP mode. Choose any option as you like. The mandatory criteria are to check expense ratio. Lower the expenses, better for you. Thanks for watching. Sure, you now understand how to grow your money. So, support and encourage us by liking and sharing this video with your family, friends, colleagues, neighbors and loved ones so they can manage their money properly and create huge wealth for retirement. Thanks, in anticipation. Love from Team F4.